It's me, Jediah Peralta, and welcome back to my YouTube channel! So, for today's vlog po, ang gagawin ko ay i-recreate ko lang yung vlog ko last 4 years. So, bakit nga ba ulit ako bumalik sa vlogging industry na to? So, ayan, pasulpot-sulpot na naman po ang vlog ko this year. But, ayun, I thank God na lang na kinaya ng time ko right now. Pero, saglit lang to kasi after ko mag-take ng video na to is magre-review naman ako for our exam tomorrow. So, may realization kasi nangyari sa akin kanina. Hindi naman siya realization na literal na realization, guys. So, kanina after I eat lunch, nag-chat yung one of my closest friend sa akin. And then, sabi niya, masahin ko sa inyo. Siyempre, hindi ko papakita yung so, sabi niya sa akin, nag-chat siya sa akin, nagulat ako. Sabi niya, te, sabi ko po, sabi niya, look, pinapanood ko. So, ito yung pinapanood niya, guys. Kita di ba? Yung vlog ko to 4 years ago na din ata. And then, tapos bigla siyang nag-video call sa akin. Sabi niya, te, what if i-recreate mo yung isang vlog mo, yung 16 facts about me. Sabi ko, pwede. So, ayun, nabigyan niya ako ng idea na i-recreate ko itong video na to. So, thank you so much, Maha. Thank you so much talaga, kapatid. Kapatid. So, if hindi niyo po kilala si Maha, she's my closest friend na hindi ko alam 7 years na ata or 8 years na kami magkaibigan. And hindi kami ma-communicate talaga. Kasi syempre busy din kami. Nag-aaral siya, nag-aaral din ako. No? So, minsan lang kami mag-usap. But that's okay kasi ox na ox kami dalawa. And ayun, simulan na natin. So, yung 16 facts about me. So, dinagdagan ko lang siya ng 2 questions. So, ito ay 18 facts about me. So, first question is, what is your full name? So, ganun pa din po yung pangalan ko. Hindi pa rin nagbago. My name is Jediah Eunice B. Peralta, but you can call me Jade or you can call me Eunice if ano po gusto mo. Or, wag lang Jeda, no? Iinis. Chats lang. Kahit ano lang, basta nasa connected pa rin siya sa pangalan ko. So, second, how old are you? I am 18 years old. 18 years old. And when is your birthday? My birthday is on October 9, 2006. In what grade are you? I am currently at first year college. And what is 5? What is the name of your school? Taga-aral po ako ngayon sa STI College sa Santa Maria branch. Yeah. And 6, how many are you in the family? We are, so hindi ko kasi alam kung ano talaga sasagot ko, but I will say we are 5. I have 3 siblings, and I was the only girl in the family. Yes, only girl. And then, next, number 7, what province are you? Nabubulol, diba? So, yung dun kasi sa current vlog ko na 16 facts about me, sinabi ko talaga yung address ko dun, ang kapal, diba? So, ngayon, sabihin ko lang yung province ko. I am at Bulacan, province of Bulacan, in Angat. Yan. And then, number 8, what is your talent? My talent po is singing and dancing ko. And then, what is my hobby? My hobby is singing karaoke song of Christian song. And then, syempre baking, hindi mawawala yan. And cooking. No? And next, number 10, eto, favorite question. Favorite question. What is your current status? My status is still single and young. Single pa rin po ang tao na to, and walang ka-talking stage, walang situationship kung nangyayari sa babae na to, no? Kung yung mga ano dyan, charot. And then, number 11, what is your favorite pet? Siya, of course, dog talaga din. And then, number 12, what is your favorite color? So, if napanood nyo yung aking yung opening of my gifts ng 18th birthday ko, literal na red po, red, pink po talaga ang favorite color ko, with touch of purple, light violet, basta mga touch of violet and pink po siya. And then next, what is your favorite dessert? Of course, my favorite dessert is cake and ice cream. So, yun lang naman dalawa. And then next, what is your attitude? So, yung 16 facts ko, ganun pa din po yung attitude ko. No? Madaldal, maingay. Minsan masungit kapag, alam mo na, kapag naka-step out mo sa, ano yun, hindi dapat ma-step out. Ganun. And then next, what is your favorite cartoon character to, guys? Sa cartoon characters, ganun pa din. Barbie, pero nadagdagan ako na Hello Kitty yan. Hello Kitty, Barbie. Sino pa nilagay ko yun? Sino pa sinabi ko? Tom and Jerry, tapos si Mr. Bean. Yung pa rin naman, nadagdagan lang ni Hello Kitty. Yung Hello Kitty and Kuromi, ganyan. And then next, what is your favorite, dream destination? So, ayun, nasabi ko dun yung Canada, Japan. May nasabi ba ka dun? Hindi ko alam kung may nasabi akong Japan. So, Canada, Hong Kong, and South Korea, ganyan. So, hindi na dream destination yung Hong Kong because napuntahan ko na yung Hong Kong last 2023, I think. And, yan yung pa din naman po yung mga favorite destinations ko. And next is, 17. What is your course? So, I'm taking BSIT course, or yun, BSIT po ang nakuha course ng babae nito. So, next is, what is your dream? So, yung dream ko pa rin ay makapagtapos ng pag-ibig. Wala naman dun. So, baka pagtapos ng pag-aaral, of course, and basta, lahat ng dreams ko is binibigay ko lang lahat kay Lord na siya na bahala sa akin. So, syempre, kahit si Lord din bahala sa mga dreams ko, syempre, dapat ako is may ginagawa pa din. Syempre, para matupad ko yung pangarap ko na. So, si God is nakaano lang naman siya sa akin. I mean, nasa likod ko lang siya palagi. Or nasa likod lang natin siya kasama natin siya palagi. Para to guide us in our dreams. So, that's all, guys. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my video. And I hope na masundan tong vlog na to this year. And then, if you would suggest, I would like na i-take yung suggestions niyo for my vlog, next vlog, ganyan. So, again, thank you so much, dahil na-recreate ko na tong vlog ko na to. And thank you sa mga sumusuporta pa rin, patuloy na sumusuporta pa rin sa vlog industry ko na to. And thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell button for more updates and for more upcoming vlogs. So, yun lang, guys. Bye!